the sun sets. Down below, a solitary shadow, the promise of life. The pack moves, a silent will unfolding across the vast snow.
In this timeless dance of predator and prey, the weakest fall when the light fades.
Instinct and desperation drove the herd to the waiting ice. The delicate pact of the winter landscape gives way to cold truth.
Ryn, the alpha, knew the river demanded its due. The elk's struggle was a test of their patience, a balance between the alpha plunges into the frigid depths, the current tearing at his paws. He must overcome the icy grip of the river to reach his prey.
Then, the terrible energy ceases, and the world holds its breath.
Hunger, the ultimate master, silences all other feeling. In the quiet aftermath, the hunter felt a strange, old respect. The wild gives nothing freely, only a truth that is raw and absolute.